If you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy right now, you have to have permission from the courts. Your attorney has to get with the trustee to get permission for you to purchase a vehicle. More than likely, you cannot lease a brand new vehicle. Right now, in today's world, no leasing company, GM Financial, Ford, Chrysler, is not going to let you lease a vehicle when you're in a Chapter 13. Why should they? You have issues with your credit. Why should they give you the ability or say that you can lease a car from them? Who cares whether you are leasing a vehicle right now and then you file Chapter 13? You are not entitled to get what you used to get just because you used to lease from them before. Did that make sense? You're not entitled to what you was before because your credit is different. Yes, my tone is different. The reason my tone is different is because everybody is so privileged these days. They think they're privileged because they got a last lease, right? Whether you did a one-pay lease or you're in lease now and then you filed bankruptcy, or even if you did a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, doesn't matter. What you qualified before, if your credit changed, then things are going to be different. Things are different. So be prepared. Have a plan B. If you can't get the plan A of leasing that particular car, you want that new car, know that always have a plan B. Me, 26 years in the automobile business, or all my life, I always look to having a plan A, plan B, plan C. Why? Because I always want options. When somebody tells me no, I want to be able to get something else that I want to get. And if I can't, I'm going to say, okay, well, what's my third option? What's C? So A, B, C. Get an A option, B option, C option. 1, 2, 3. Especially if you filed a Chapter 13, you got to get permission. And then if you're in a Chapter 7, most banks now these days, if you're in a Chapter 7, you know what? They want you to meet with your creditors at 341 meeting. And then even not that, even if your bankruptcy is discharged, right? Chapter 7 bankruptcy are discharged within 90 days, 90 to 120 days. And then times are not like they used to be 26 years ago when I first got into business. People filed Chapter 7 back in the day and they used to get brand new cars. No, you're not getting a brand new car now. Things have changed. Well, everybody can't get a brand new car, but I guess everybody's situation is different. But sounds like I'm ranting in this video, but yes, I am, because you got to realize a lot of videos that I do, they're based on situations that happen in real life. All my videos I do, they're based on situations that happen to me in real life. Because you know what? Every time I pop up with a video, certain situation probably already happened. You're just watching this video and you realize, and you know what? That probably did happen to me. Or that probably did happen to somebody I know. We do videos for a reason, and content is creating content for you to be able to listen so that you won't make the same mistake.